In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your primary domain on Shopify. Changing your primary domain is an important step if you're rebranding your store or switching to a more professional website address. So, let's get started. First, log into your Shopify Admin dashboard. Once you're inside, head over to the left side menu and click on Settings. This is where you can manage all the important configurations for your store. Next, click on Domains. This section allows you to manage all the domains connected to your Shopify store, including custom domains and your default Shopify domain. Once you're inside the Domains section, you'll see a list of connected domains. Find the domain you want to make your primary domain. Now, click on the domain you want to use. After opening it, look for the option that says Set as Primary and click on it. Shopify will then update your store settings and make this domain your new primary domain. This means customers visiting your store will now see this domain as your main website address. After the changes are applied, make sure to test your website by opening the domain in your browser to confirm everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your primary domain on Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.